Two people that get to finally be with the person they love forever. I have seen so much transpire through y'all's relationship. Mark, you keep my mom young. You take her on new experiences, new trips, new travels. I see y'all laugh like kids. It's puppy love.
The best thing I know about Mark is that he's very successful, but he's humble, and he brags on other people, not himself.
He's the perfect human, but I realize he's the perfect male because the perfect female shares the same qualities as Debbie Fur.
I just have to talk about how much I love Debbie. I think that you bring out the best qualities in my dad. I can really tell a difference. Debbie will be there and she'll be able to just sprinkle her joy on everything.
Thinking about soulmates, you know, you've heard that term, soulmates a lot. And your soulmates you find at different times. Sometimes you find them in high school, it doesn't work out. I think you had a good example here in Winston-Salem a number of years ago. Mark and Debbie, you found your soulmates.